Alright, so I did a couple of videos on the engine coil, and I'm still getting a check engine light that comes on. So maybe it's the wire, maybe it's the spark plug. I did go ahead and pick up both. So it's on the 2010 Jeep Wrangler JK. I'm gonna pull the wire off. It's about 15 minutes before work, so I got time for at least the wire and maybe reset the engine light. We'll see how this goes. So the diagnostic says that it is on number 6 as far as its fire order goes. So it's this back one right here and the bottom on the engine control. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull that off. Get the bottom first here. The engine's a little hot. Awkward angle. I'm gonna need my stool. All right, that makes me a little higher. It's always fun trying to hold a phone and do something at the same time. Did get some lube. Help me out there. Didn't read the directions, but as long as I have the same length, and this one's pretty close. Only gonna be replacing the one wire. All right, and I did pick up some spark plug boot protector here. Get some of that squeezed in there. Should be good enough. Maybe a little bit more than I need. It's pushed onto the spark plug. Get a solid connection there. Get to the other side. Oh, I'm blocking the camera. The engine is hot, so this is a little difficult. As you can see, 2 hands is always better. All right, there we go. Until it pops. Snaps on there. I got it to snap on there. Had to put down the phone for a second. All right, let's start it up. That seems to run a little bit smoother. I don't have that rough startup anymore. Of course, the engine light's still on because I got to reset the battery, or take the negative terminal off the battery to reset the diagnostic here, or shut off the light. All right, I got to remember this time the horn's going to honk. That's tightening. There we go. Happens. I always forget that it's going to go ahead and beep when I reconnect the negative terminal. All right, get the socket off so I can do a little bit more by hand. That's good enough. I'm going to leave it off for a minute or two and put it back on, see if we can get that light off. All right, there we go. I tucked it away a little bit. Wait about a minute or two. I may not need that at all. I did just have a tune-up last year. All right, I'm gonna get this back on. Well, I should have done it without the socket first. Don't forget the horn's gonna honk, or at least mine does. There we go. Get that tightened up. Go ahead and start it up. And we'll see if it comes back on. I'll be replacing the spark plug. All right, engine light's off, but that doesn't mean it's gonna stay off. So we'll see. Other than that, things I've kind of researched is could be a piston, which that would be sad, but do what I gotta do. All right, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below.